If you want to delete photos, videos or other files from your external hard drive using your iPhone, you can do it directly through the File app. First, open the Files app on your iPhone. Now, connect your external hard drive to your iPhone using the appropriate connector or adapter. Once it's connected, go to your external hard drive and find the file or folder you want to delete. Now tap three dots in the top right corner, then select. Now choose the file you want to delete. Once selected, tap the delete icon at the bottom. After that, go back to the previous menu and open the recently deleted folder. Now select the deleted files and permanently delete them from there as well. This makes sure the data is completely removed from your external drive. And that's it. Now you know how to permanently delete files from an external hard drive using your iPhone.